Hello everyone, welcome back to My Fluency Journey. And in this video, we're going to talk about some random topic for 5 minutes. I'm literally speaking randomly, and just my ideas and my brain speaks to me, and I'm translating into. Firstly, I was translating. So, yeah, the topic was how to stay productive in a distracted world. So, there are three or four main words: productive, distracted world. So, why there is distraction in the world? According to me, the main distraction in in this modern world was or is due to social media apps, or is due to entire social media, entire internet. So what many people are doing is just doom scrolling on the social media app, or listening to or watching YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, Instagram reels, TikTok, Snapchat. These are all just dumb. You should avoid these. And there are many software engineers, many technicians, many managers, many psychologists, many philosophers are working behind these working for these companies, and the main goal of the company is to earn revenues, and the main goal of these persons to and these are and they know the psychology of human nature. They know human nature, the dark psychology, how to trick your brain, how to give more dopamine to your brain so that you are being addicted to these apps. So you should avoid using these apps. I completely abandoned, I completely deleted all these apps from my Android phone, because I'm currently using Android phone. And so you should completely remove or so, because in Atomic Habit they said, if you wanted to remove the bad habit from your entire daily life, you should eventually make it invisible. So how you can make it invisible? You can firstly turn off your notifications, because notifications are very less, means they are like type of dopamine hits. Whenever you receive a notification, you turn your screen on and just swiping through your social media apps and watching the phone again and again. So firstly, the first step is remove or turn off the notifications. The second step was the second step was don't do multitasking. Focus your Please focus on one thing at a one time. Human brain is not designed to work simultaneously on more than two or three things. You should focus on a single or twice thing, right? Uh, One or two things, not just three, four, five. I saw that some people are doing watching cricket, watching YouTube video, doing their homework, doing their tasks, doing their other assignment simultaneously. Why are you wasting their time? And also watching Instagram reels. So you should not do these type of things, right? So my advice was delete the social media, because these are just short-term dopamine, and these dopamine hits, or these satisfaction, short-term satisfaction doesn't help you in your life, and it eventually run your brain, and it eventually uh, rot your brain, and it will eventually make you a bad person, or a lazy person, or an inactive person. So I challenge you to sit quiet for 15 minutes. If you can sit for 15 minutes without any phone, without any messaging apps, without any technology, without any gadgets, and you will eventually increase your attention span. And the also watching Instagram reels, watching YouTube shorts will eventually decrease your attention span. You can't give attention to a long video or to any type of activities for a longer period of time. To increase attention span, you should watch long type of videos, long form of contents, or watching watching the long videos, or listening to the long podcast, or reading long articles. not just doom scroll. I i doesn't like doom scrolling because it eventually sucks your energy, and after giving you so dopamine, and your brain will say that I'm so tired, please, I'm not in the mood to, I'm not in the mood to do any work right now. I'm extremely tired, please, I'm extremely exhausted, so please get sleep, or please will go to sleep. Your mind will say these type of things to you, right? I think you will experience these type of things. So you should avoid these type of activities in your daily life. You can all firstly turn off notifications, and then try removing the apps or removing accounts from your app, or activate it for 3 days, or for means use a checkpoint, or check tick check tick in your, create a notion page, and uh, if you wanted to give a short term, or short term dopamine by creating a good habits, then you can use tracking activities. So track your daily habits and track your time also. So now you know that if you are tracking your time, then you can't waste it for so much time. So now, firstly, if you are watching it reels for 3 hours, then now you will reduce it to 1 hour or half an hour. So to be, to become more productive, you should increase tracking activities about your daily life activities. So track your daily activities, track your health, track your fitness, track your money. So if you track these four things, your all things will be balanced, right? Thank you so much.